Hey guys, so I have a really awesome product that I want to share with you all because the skin, she's glowing. She is looking really radiant. But first, what I might say next is going to be a little bit of a shocker, but I do have dry skin. I know. I actually have dry skin about 80% of the time, but if I am really consistent with my skincare and have really amazing products, then I'm pretty much normal. So not oily, not dry, like normal. Also, when it comes to choosing the most beneficial products for my skin type and concerns, I have to make sure that it'll have the dark spots and wrinkles in their formula because, honey, they gotta go. I am a smiler. I smile a lot, and so I just have literally one little teensy wrinkle that I see on both sides already, so I gotta start now. Here is product L28, which is the anti-aging restoring moisturizer. And as you can see, the ingredients are amazing. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe, squalane, and peptides. And I know that I don't have to mention it because we all can see how cute this packaging is. Like literally, this just stands right out in my bathroom. This is cute and perfect. I love it. And this product will be perfect for all skin types because of the ingredients that it had. And this will be perfect for all skin types, I promise you, because not only is it giving you the moisture that you need, but it's also lightweight, like a gel type of formula at the same time, so that the oily girls don't get bothered too much by it. And I know if you have dry skin, you're most likely thinking, well, that's not enough for my skin. Trust me, I know, which is why I only use it during the day, and it still works wonders, and it'll literally last me until my nighttime skincare routine. Just with one pump, I have enough for my whole face. And can I just say that this is the perfect step prior to applying your makeup, because this literally just layers on so nicely and it gives me that nice kind of plump, hydrating feel, the type of feel you need right before your makeup look. And now that I'm thinking about it, I remember seeing that the clinical studies do say that you have less visible pores. So I am not crazy when I say I do not have pores in my makeup look. Like, is this real life?